It's finally an early start, I think around 7 o'clock. And talking to the person at the convenience store, got some good intel that yesterday was indeed a very unusual day, and they don't usually see winds quite like that. And so I shouldn't expect them, which is nice to know. So that was kind of brutal. Beautiful country out here, very quiet, lots of agriculture. Today is the closest I will get to a rest day in the first 10. I'm going to Huron, where a hotel awaits me for the first time as well. It's been a while since I've spoken about the climate crisis on the vlog here, and I've had a couple of conversations which I didn't capture on video, but for instance, Russ, a farmer back in the flatlands of Minnesota, blamed it on the erratic weather that he's having and the difficulty he has with his crops, noting how different the patterns are from when he was a child growing up on the land. Okay, here's another answer to a question that nobody actually asked me, but you might be wondering what I eat on the road, and I try to actually eat 3 hot meals a day. The one in the middle's this one, lunch, is probably not strictly necessary, but I think it makes me take that break, and sometimes I don't do, and you really do need a big break in the middle of the day. So it's a lot of prepared food. Today will be a little bit of ramen in a cup, but instant potatoes, mac and cheese, of course fruits and that kind of things that I can pick up along the way. But you have to stay fueled. You have to keep eating all day long. Even if you don't feel like eating, you really have to eat, because if you don't, you'll be in a lot of trouble. So that's one of my jobs on the bike, is just to keep fueled.